Hello and welcome to my PLR Wealth review. PLR Wealth is a full course on how to find and buy PLR products or private label rights products. This course will show you how to rebrand and claim ownership of these products and then sell them on your own WordPress website as your own products so that you can keep 100% of the profits. This is an excellent way to be able to launch your own product without having to create your own product, because the product has already been created and all of the hard work has been done for you. You're even given a unique WordPress theme that Chris created himself, which acts as a full funnel that allows you to easily build an email list, sell your PLR product, and even make some affiliate sales after that. If you're interested in picking this up, click the link below. I have some excellent bonuses for you, which are two of Chris's previous products and a new affiliate marketing course, so be sure to check those out when you click the link below. So here is the membership area of PLR Wealth. It's laid out very nicely. Chris Derenberger is the creator of this course, and he will be your trainer throughout your journey here. So let's go ahead and take a look at what you will learn with PLR Wealth. So when you first log into PLR Wealth, you're going to see this screen, and you're going to be automatically into the training area. And the first video here is understanding your PLR rights. And in this video, Chris is going to explain exactly what PLR is and how PLR works. In other words, he's going to go ahead and show you different types of rights, what PLR rights are, what all the types of licenses that come with PLR. Some of them are difficult to comprehend, and he's actually going to go ahead and go through those with you and actually explain them in a little more detail. That way you can understand them a little bit better. The next video is finding PLR products, and in this video he's going to talk about where he buys his PLR products. He's going to talk about where he believes that the best places are for you to pick up your products, and not just any PLR products, but the high quality products. He's been doing this for a long time, and he's gathered all of his resources together in one little spot. And if you click on this link here, he's going to show you where his he's going to give you access to his PLR source list, and he's going to show you everywhere that he gets his PLR from, which is top quality PLR. The next video is picking and editing products. And in this video, he's going to show you what to look for when you're ready to pick a PLR product and how to edit it to make it your own. He's going to show you exactly how he does it, and that way you can do it on your own. And later on in the training, as you'll see, he's going to actually give you a WordPress theme that has a full funnel inside that will allow you to collect emails for opt-ins. It's going to allow you to sell your PLR product. It's going to allow you to even hopefully make some affiliate sales, because you can put your offers right out there in front of your buyers. The next video is about hosting and WordPress setup. If you're not familiar with hosting, if you're not familiar with WordPress, he goes through here, and in great detail he shows you where to buy the best hosting from. He gives his recommendations here down below, and these resources here. Just click on the links and you can go ahead and sign up for these hostings that and they're really really inexpensive, but you do need a website to do this. The next one is a website structure overview, and in this video he's going to show you the overall structure and the funnel of the theme so that you can build your email list, get sales, and earn commissions from promoting affiliate products. This is a video that when you do pick this up, that you're going to want to make sure that you watch all of. You're going to want to make sure you watch all of them anyway, but this one is a little more important than the rest. because he's going to go through his theme. He's going to explain everything, how the theme is laid out, and the structure of the website. The next video is how to install and edit the theme, and he's going to show you everything that you need to know. So if you're not 100% on WordPress, if you don't know WordPress, if you're just a beginner, he goes through all the settings. He tells you everything that you need to know. And let me play this real quick, just a little bit of it. See, it's 27 minutes long. So these videos, most of these videos are well over 10 minutes, but this particular video is 27 minutes long, which means he does go into great detail and show you everything that you need to know, and every little setting and every little tweak that you can do to really make this theme your own. The next video is PayPal and Stripe links. You're going to want to put a payment processor on your website to be able to accept payments when someone purchases your PLR product. So he's going to go into detail of how to do Stripe and PayPal. He's got two videos here, one for Stripe and one for PayPal, depending on which one you want to use. You can go ahead and do that from his videos here. The next one is an autoresponder. So if you're wanting to create a list, an email list, you're going to need to be able to collect emails. So he's going to walk you through autoresponders. He's going to walk you through two autoresponders. If you don't know anything about autoresponders, then you're going to want to watch these videos. If you know about autoresponders and you already have one that you want to use, then you probably know how to use it. But this one is using ConvertKit, and then this one underneath is using GetResponse. So you can use either or of these if you are pretty new and you don't know anything about autoresponders. He's going to go and walk you through everything you need to know about that. Next video is strategies for selling, and in this video he's going to talk about several ways that you can use this PLR theme to build your list, sell products, and earn affiliate commissions. So there's different ways that you can use this theme, and he's going to go through all of those ways that he has found that this theme is really worked for him. Ways to promote is the next video, and in this video he's going to discuss several ways that you can promote your PLR products to increase your chance of getting sales. And the bonus that he has included with this product is 100 WordPress Videos Plr. So this is like a training course of 100 WordPress training videos, and you have the right to do anything you want with them. You can resell them, you can edit them, you can give them away as affiliate bonuses, you can give them away for opting into your newsletter, or you can just use them for your personal use for your own learning. And the last but not least is frequently asked questions. He's going to, it's just an FAQ of what people will ask the most. And if you ever need support, he does have his own Facebook group, which he is active in. I'm in that Facebook group, and you can ask him anything and he'll get right back to you. So Chris Derenberger is an excellent marketer, and he knows his stuff. So I've actually went through this course, and this course is 100% excellent. I'm really excited to be able to get started with this. I've fiddled around with the theme a little bit. It uses the Elementor theme, so everything is like drag and drop, and it's really easy to use. So a little bit about my bonuses here real quick. The bonuses that I am including here is I'm going to include two of his products, two of his past products. One is YT Supremacy, and he's going to show you how to build authority YouTube channels. The other one is YP Affiliate Suite, or WP Affiliate Suite, and he's going to teach you how to build affiliate WordPress websites. And the last one is a new affiliate marketing newbie to pro. It is a new training course on affiliate marketing. So as you can see, PLR Wealth is your complete A to Z guide on getting started with PLR. This is the most comprehensive guide that I have found to learn PLR from the ground up. There's plenty of money to be made with PLR. And with the included theme that Chris is going to give you here, you can start making money in no time. So I want to thank you for watching my PLR Wealth review. If you found this video helpful to you, be sure to like my video below, and please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the button inside of this video for more review videos on quality products that will make you a passive income from home. And don't forget to click that link down below to purchase PLR Wealth. You can grab these bonuses that you see on the screen right here if you click directly on that link in the description below. So thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next video.